In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a profit and loss statement in QuickBooks. This process is essential for any business wanting to keep track of its financial health by understanding its revenues and expenses. The steps are straightforward and we'll walk through them together so you can feel confident in managing your financial reporting. First, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks account. Begin by navigating to the QuickBooks login page and selecting the Sign In option. This will prompt you to choose between QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online. For our purposes today, we'll be using QuickBooks Online. Simply click on that option and you'll be taken to the login screen. Now enter your QuickBooks login credentials and click Continue. If everything is correct, you'll access your QuickBooks dashboard where the magic happens. Once you're in, take a moment to look around if you're new here. Familiarizing yourself with your dashboard can help streamline your tasks in the future. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll find the Reports tab. Click on it to gain access to a myriad of reporting options available to you. It's as simple as typing in the search bar at the top to quickly locate the profit and loss report. Keeping your reports organized and easily accessible will save time and effort. Once you've located the profit and loss report, it's time to click on it. You'll be presented with a summary of your business's financial performance for a selected time. Take a moment to review the contents and ensure that the data looks accurate. This report will give you insights into how your business is doing over the specified period. When you're ready to share your findings, you'll notice an email icon within the report summary area. Clicking this will enable you to send the report directly from QuickBooks without the need to download and manually attach it to an email. It's a convenient feature that can help keep your team or stakeholders informed with ease. Scroll to the bottom of the page where you'll see another option to email the report. Here you'll add the recipient's email address for those whom you wish to send the report to. You can also personalize the subject and body of the email, adding any necessary context or explanations to accompany the report. Crafting a clear and informative email subject and message can ensure that your communication is effective. Finally, with everything set, press Send to dispatch your profit and loss statement to your designated recipients. It's that easy, and there you have it, a complete profit and loss report sent directly through QuickBooks. By following these steps, you've taken a crucial step in understanding and managing your business finances. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating QuickBooks for your financial reporting needs. Until next time, happy accounting.